Allison, and you are on video 5 of this 5-part series on how to launch your product or your brand. So if you missed steps 1 through 4, go back and watch them. It's all about how to create excitement, get people to your site, convert higher, and where the fortune is in the follow-up. And today we're going to be talking about how to gather that social media so that next time you do this, you can make it even bigger and better. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that social media stuff, and let's get started. All right, I'm sitting here in beautiful Hawaii with my family being so quiet upstairs. I'm so grateful for them. We just got out of the ocean, and honestly, I just didn't feel right putting on makeup. So I'm sitting here in the raw. You get what you get. But the best part about this is I'm talking about something that I'm completely crazy passionate about, and that is business building. I see a lot of you getting ready to start your own businesses, to launch your own products, but you're not quite sure what to do. Or you are building your site so much and then you're ready for launch day, you open it up and you don't make any sales. And it is so frustrating when that happens. And so this 5-part series was to help you be able to launch your product even bigger, better, and make more money than you ever thought was possible. So, like I said before, make sure you watch all 5 parts of this so that you can knock it out of the park. All right, today, number 5, what we're diving down into is how to collect all these reviews, everything that you possibly can, so that when you go out and you launch your product next time, you're gonna have more social proof. You're gonna have better testimonials so that more people will want to be on board with what you have to offer. And in the end result is to getting bigger sales. Okay, so I'm gonna break this down for you. Now, here's the best part. I actually have a free PDF for you down below, so I've taken the notes for you. All you have to do is just go down there and click on it, and then it will shoot it over to your Facebook Messenger. I know, we made this so easy for you to be able to get these notes because I truly want you to succeed and I want you to hit it out of the park. Okay, so let's break this down. After you've had your big promotion, your big launch, your big sell, the next thing, like something so incredibly critical, is you want to start collecting social proof. Now, what is social proof? Social proof is somewhere in a social media platform. Instagram, Facebook reviews, even in Gmails, where you're starting to get people commenting back, feedback based upon the product that you have given them, that you sent them, they paid for, and they are giving you an honest review back. Some of those things that you can do is when they get their product, ask them to post it on Instagram. You can even throw a little card. You can get them off Vistaprints you can get like 500 postcards for free. So you don't have to spend a lot of money. And you just say, hey, tag us on Instagram for a chance to win a prize that you're giving, a product prize that you're giving away. And so you're gonna get people posting your product on their social platform of their choice. It's Instagram or Facebook. And then you can take that picture and then you use that the next time you launch that product or something similar to it. So you can be like, hey, Joe bought this product last time and this was his review. He absolutely loved it. So you're starting to gather all that social proof for your next launch or your next relaunch. The second thing you can do is ask them to leave a review. Now, I've been known to put in a card that says, hey, I will bribe you. This is an ethical bribe. I will bribe you with some candy if you go leave us a review. And I stick in one of my Laffy Taffies. That's kind of like my signature for the last 10 years that I've been shipping products. I always put in a Laffy Taffy, to a little sugar, a little laughter, right? And so I will say, this is an ethical bribe to get you to go leave a review on how you felt about this product. And I have gathered quite a bit of reviews just from asking them. The third thing that you can do is email them and ask them for feedback. A lot of email autoresponders. So let's say that you're on a Shopify or ClickFunnels platform. You can trigger an email to get sent to them a week, 2 weeks later after they buy the product that automatically goes out. So you don't even have to think about it. That just says, hey, give us a review on the product and let us know what you think about it. We would love to hear back from you. And then you can say, if you do, we will actually send you a discount code. guess what that does? Not only do you get real feedback from your customers, you can probably get another sale from them too. So it's just creating this win-win situation. And then you gather all their pictures, all their writing from their email, from their Facebook posts, and then you start adding that into your pages, into your web pages, into your emails, into your launches for your next one, so that people are like, huh, Joe really liked that product, so it must be good, and it's going to help give people comfort knowing that you are an awesome company and you have an amazing brand, because guess what? You do. And you want the world to know. And so you get your customers to help you portray that message even more. Okay, so I hope you liked that video. Remember, there's a link down below for the 3 things. And I actually think there is a bonus. Is there 4? There might be 4. So we're gonna give you a bonus if there is. If not, then there was 3. Okay, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that social stuff, and go back, watch those videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.